Hey everyone, this time we're going to learn how to draw Brick, our sports-loving hippopotamus. Alright, here we go. To start off, we're going to draw his nose, which is just going to be a round shape that's going to go back to about the middle of his head, just like this. Alright, so that's just his snout, and to indicate his nostrils, two small ovals, and then we'll draw his cheek. Smiling little guy. Under his nostril, we'll draw his tooth, just one tooth sticking out, all happy. And then let's draw his eyes, two filled in ovals, and then his eyebrows to give him that expression. We'll give him also a little bit of a chin in there. And then we'll start drawing his ears. So his ears are made of two sections, the outer ear and then the inner ear. And then for the back ear, same thing. Do the outer ear and then the inner ear. Cool. Let's get to drawing the main shape of his body. So we'll start with his forehead, which goes from his ears down to his nose. And then we'll connect that shape, and we'll continue the shape from his ears to the back of his head, down to his neck, and then his bum. And then we'll take kind of that shape underneath his snout, which will be his chin, down to his belly, and then that will be basically the bottom of his trousers. And what we want to do is basically draw kind of a rough rectangle here, and those will be his shorts. Now to indicate his arm, we're going to do an upside down U, and then straight line across, and then we'll draw the rest of his arm from his upper arm to his pointer finger there, and then middle finger, and then his outer finger, and then just continue that up. And that's his arm. All right, let's finish out by drawing his legs. It'll just be three segments, so one long line here in the middle of his legs, and then his right leg and his left leg. And then his shoes will be kind of jelly bean shapes. Just one there, and then one right there. All right, almost done. We just have his neckline to do. To be straight across. And then the bottom of his shirt or the top of his shorts right across there. And then maybe just the little line there. And there we have it. There is our hippopotamus Brick. Hope you had fun.